Welcome to Marshituts. Today we're going to learn how to create a TikTok thumbnail. Luckily there's already quite big variety of templates that you can choose from for TikTok, and the first thing we always do is to use the search function. I just type in TikTok, and what we're looking for here is a TikTok background. I'm just typing in TikTok background, and as you can see there is a TikTok background here with 1080 times 1920 pixels. I'm going to choose this, and as you can see there's already a big variety of really nice backgrounds that you can use and adjust. But we're going to start by creating a blank TikTok background. So with the blank canvas, the first thing we're going to do usually is to select the background for the background itself. So I'm going to go with a blank color. For this I'm going to take the turquoise color, just like this, but you could also use a photo if you would like to. You could get into photos here, and and that's actually the next step we're going to do. You could either upload images that you have, or you can use the stock photos available. And if you're using Canva Pro, of course you have much more pictures to choose from, but even the free version has really decent pictures for you to use. So for this TikTok background, we would like to wish everyone a Happy New Year. So let's see what we have. Happy New Year. Let's take this one. Just drag and drop it like here, and probably another one. So here what would be nice probably is to get rid of the background itself. What we can do here is to go on edit image and use the background remover, which is a pro feature as well, if I'm not wrong. So let's wait and see whether this is going to work or not. Yeah, looks really nice. So just gonna drag and drop it where I want to have it. Make this a little bit smaller, just like that. And then we also want to have some text. So I go on text here, and what I prefer is to look for font combinations, because there's already really great looking font combinations. I'm going for this one here this time. Then typing in Happy New Year, and just going to resize it a little bit. And here we have to actually change this because you cannot see it, or we could just change the font color here to black, and then it becomes visible. Yeah, let's put it here. And I think by now people get the message. And in addition to the text, let's select another image, maybe something like that. So yeah, we can continue adding graphics until we're satisfied. And once we're done, we can go on download, and we can then select either PNG or JPEG. We're going to use PNG because we're going to choose PNG because it's a high quality image. And then we can just go and download and download our nice TikTok thumbnail. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time around.
Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give the video a like, and also hit the notification bell. Like this, you're going to tell YouTube that these videos are relevant, and you're going to help us tremendously. Thank you.